All right, why is this Walatpo cordless vacuum cleaner flying off the shelves on Amazon? Why is everyone buying this specific vacuum cleaner? This one, there's the other pieces right there. Why are they buying this one? It's because it's extremely effective and because it is an amazing value. So first thing I want to do is I want to take this is the main piece right here. Here's the battery, take it, and we're gonna just slide it right on until it clicks in. Now we're ready to go. So from there, we can take any of these attachments right here. Depending on what you want, you got the main attachment right here, but you can also turn this into a short vacuum where say you want to vacuum in your car or some sort of hard to reach space, you can just attach that right there or attach this one right here and you can sort of get into the crevices and any hard to reach areas. So that's amazing. Set this back over here. The other thing, we can do the main piece right here. And this shortens. It also lengthens. Let's do a shortened version right now. The other thing is you can attach these pieces to the end of this right here. But what we're going to do, we're going to take the main vacuum piece that people use most often, and we're just going to attach it to the end right here. Click it right in. We're ready to go. And now, before we even get to the other stuff, let's go ahead. We're going to lengthen this again. Now, to turn this on, I'm just going to press the power button right there. So it slowly gets the pace. This on the regular mode, this is the regular mode, this is gonna last you 35 minutes on a full charge. If you press this button, we're gonna go to fast mode now. This is the fastest mode, and this is gonna last you about 16 minutes. So great. The floor here is pretty clean, so it's not really gonna pick up much, but I'm just gonna go around. Let's see what we can get. You can just see the thing, see the vacuum working. Very effective. I also like it has these lights on the front. If you can see the lights right there, lighting up the way. Comes in very handy. And so as you can see, the floor is already clean. Oh, you know what? Let's turn this back on. Show you the stuff flying around in there. So you can see the stuff flying around. It's because this vacuum works. So this vacuum's amazing. It also comes with, let's set this right here. Here's the charger for the battery. You plug this into the battery, plug this into the wall, charges the battery. This is if you want to store the vacuum, maybe you want to hang it up on the wall or whatever. Obviously easy to store. Most people don't even use this. They just store it in the closet or whatever. But if you want to mount this to the wall, you got this as well as the mounting hardware that it comes with. So all in all, this vacuum is great. I see why it's flying off the shelves on Amazon. Everyone's buying it. It's because it's an amazing vacuum, and I highly recommend it to you.